Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about curly haircut ideas that look stylish, natural and easy to manage. If you have curly hair, this video will help you choose the right haircut for your face shape and lifestyle. Curly hair is beautiful, but it needs the right cut to look its best. The good news is there are many haircut styles that make curls look healthy, bouncy and full of life. Let's start with the curly haircut ideas. Curly layered haircuts. Layers are perfect for curly hair because they add shape and volume. This haircut helps curls for naturally and reduce heaviness. It is a great choice for women who want soft movement and a fresh look. Next is a curly shoulder length haircut. This style is very popular because it is not too short and not too long. It gives curls enough space to form nicely. You can wear it open, tight, high up, or style it for special occasions. This haircut suits almost every face shape. Now let's talk about the curly bob haircut. A bob haircut with curls looks modern and classy. It frames the face beautifully and gives a youthful appearance. You can choose a chin length or slightly longer bob depending on your comfort. This style is perfect for women who want a neat but trendy look. Another lovely option is the long curly haircut with soft layers. Long curls look elegant and feminine. Adding light layers helps control volume and gives curls a natural flow. This haircut is ideal if you love long hair but want it to look more styled and less heavy. If you like short hair, the short curly haircut is a great choice. Short curly cuts are easy to maintain and look very fresh. They highlight your facial features and give a confident look. This style works well for busy women who want low maintenance hair. Now let's talk about face framing layers. Face framing curls. No matter which haircut you choose, soft curls around the face make a big difference. They highlight your eyes and cheekbones and make your face look softer and more balanced. For extra style, you can add curly bangs or rings. Curly bangs look playful and stylish when cut properly. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.